Hi, if you want to set camera timer on the iPhone 16, then open the camera first. And right now in this photo section, I'm gonna tap on this arrow on the top of the screen and we'll see some of the features, some of the controls. So here is the clock icon, which is for the timer. You can just tap it and you can see that it is currently disabled. But if you enable it, you'll have three options: 3-second timer, 5 and 10 seconds. You can just select whatever you like. I'm gonna choose 3 seconds and now you can see that the icon is yellow now. So to take a photo with the timer, you would need to tap on the camera shutter button like that and the photo will be taken within 3 seconds. And also it would be a series of photos, so it's a burst shot photo. You can just tap this amount of photos and here select which photos you like the most, tap the done button and here select to keep only to favorites. And if you don't want to use timer at the next time, you just need to disable it. For that, look at the upper panel, select your timer and turn it off. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.